Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. And December 11th, our continuing little project here, the Elvis Presley Advent calendar set. Alright, so let's get right to this. Oh, before I forget, if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps out the channel. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning into the channel and all of your support. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's see what we have in store for December 11th. All right, let's find our box for the 11th. That's right here. Let's get that out of there. This one's in here kind of tight. All right, let's see what we have in store today. Okay, it looks like a battery box. Good, some more actual assembly stuff. All right, let's close this up and add it to our changing picture here. All right, there we go. That's looking good, coming along. All right, now let's see what the book says. Okay, for December 11th. Okay, this is talking about Elvis's Series 75 Cadillac Fleetwood. Now, this is actually a popular car for another reason. This particular car, he actually had George Barris do some customization on this car. Now, George Barris, if you don't know, he's a famous car designer from that era. He did such cars as the 1960s Batmobile, the Black Beauty from the Green Hornet, the cars from the Munsters show, and many, many other cars that he custom made that are really cool cars. All right, over here, let's read what it says about box number 11. Okay, this is the battery box. We figured that out. And it's going to hold two 1.5 AA batteries. And we need to put the batteries in the holder before we attach it to the base. Then we're going to attach it to the base with a couple of screws and connect it to the sound unit. All right, so let's get started here. Let's get our battery box and some batteries. Okay, we've got two AA batteries. Let's get them in there the right way. Now, one thing I will say about this design, I can already tell, we're going to be putting this in here like so. So the batteries are on the bottom. You're not going to be able to easily get to the batteries. I'm not a fan of that, and I'll tell you why. Batteries have a tendency to leak and corrode anything they touch. So if you're going to only have this out a certain time of year, you might want to remove the batteries when you store it, because if you don't, they could leak. If you're going to display it just on a shelf, I suggest you take the batteries out and just put them in when you want to show it off, I guess, or use the sound module. But I would be really cautious about leaving batteries in here indefinitely, because they will eventually leak and they will corrode. All right, so let's go ahead and get this installed. So we've got two alignment pins here, and we've got two spots for the alignment pins here. So we'll just get those lined up like so. And then we can attach them, but first I want to see which one is power. So this is our power plug right here. So it's going to be kind of hard to get to. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the plug first. And this is keyed, so it goes with the key part up top. Make sure that's in there all the way, and it is now. See, that'll make it easier to get this in. If we were to try to connect that before we put the battery box in, it would be a little challenging. Just make sure that you don't pinch your wires underneath the box. All right, now let's get a couple screws and our screwdriver. Get those started. And then we will tighten those up. Making sure our wires aren't getting pinched. All right. All right. That's in there nice and secure. And we're making some progress. All right. So that is the end for December 11th's Advent box. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow, December 12th, for the next box and the next step in this series. So until then, everyone have a great day, be safe out there, and go build something.